Travel is such a wonderful thing. You get to see another part of the country or another part of the world. You get to meet new people, try new things, and if you're lucky, eat some delicious food. Then you get to go home and share your experiences with people that you care about. And that's what I'd like to do for you. I'm going to take some time and try to recreate some of the wonderful dishes that we had in London so you can enjoy them as well. So stay tuned for almostmartha.com, Almost Martha 21 on YouTube, and we'll explore these fabulous dishes together. I'm going to pick a nice team. Enjoy it all together. Well, we just had a marvelous English tea at the Goring, and it was spectacular. Some really great things. We had it was a lemon tart with a passion fruit meringue, spectacular. Walnut cake with coffee cream. The scones were great. So we'll tell you all about it. You are cordially invited to join me for tea. I'm going to try to recreate some of the wonderful dishes we had at the Goring Hotel. Oh, that walnut cake with coffee cream. Oh, those scones. I can't wait. So please watch out on Almost Martha 21 on YouTube, or keep visiting my website, almost-martha.com, for the date for our fabulous English American tea. See you soon.